Good morning, everyone. I am the reporter of Lesson 23, Sources of Social, Cultural, and Political Change. The first topic is innovation and diffusion as sources of social change. Innovation means creating something new, and diffusion means spreading it to others. When new ideas or technology spread, people's ways of life changes. It helps make life easier and faster, but it can make people too dependent on technology. That's why society must balance tradition and innovation. Example is yung pagtaas ng paggamit ng social media tulad ng TikTok, Instagram at iba pang mga platform na kung saan is nagbabago ang paraan ng pakikipag-ugnayan ng mga tao sa araw-araw. Innovation and diffusion has sources of cultural change. New inventions and ideas can change people's belief, fashion, and tradition. When these spread, culture becomes more modern or mixed. It can bring creativity, open-mindedness among people. However, it can cause some old tradition to be forgotten. Dahil sa AI art, nagkakaroon ng bagong paraan ng paggawa ng sining bukas sa traditional na pagpipinta. Innovation and diffusion has sources of political change. Technology helps people join political discussions and express their opinions. It also helps leaders connect with citizens faster. Social media has become a tool for awareness and activism. Because of this, many young people are now more involved in political issues. Ang mga online na petisyon at trending hashtag ay ginagamit ng mga tao para magpahayag ng saloobin laban sa maling pamahalaan ng isang gobyerno. So let's go in acculturation and assimilation as sources of social change. Acculturation happens when people share cultures, while assimilation happens when one culture starts to follow another. This changes how people act and live together. It promotes understanding between people of different backgrounds. However, it can also cause some loss their original customs. So, ang mga halimbawa nito, yung mga Pilipino nagtatrabaho sa ibang bansa na gumagamit ng kanilang wika at kaugalian ng mga banyaga. Acculturation and assimilation has sources of cultural change. When people from different countries meet, they share food, music, and traditions. This makes